We came to check out the Alton Mills Centre. Let's go. This used to be an old factory that was built in the 1800s and located north of Toronto. It has been completely refurbished and now is home to artists and a wonderful art gallery. We even found a street lamp that was completely recycled and turned into an art masterpiece for $1,400. In the building's lower floor, some of the old machines that used to be used at that factory are still there, and you can even still find wonderful information on how workers used to come here every day and work and make rubber things, knitting artifacts, and a number of other things that are very, very interesting. They were even able to collect some old soda bottles from the workers back in the days. That's very impressive. First one to visit this place from this country in this entire map. Everybody else who's been here has been where they're from. It says where are you from here on the top. Everyone else around the world. Africa, only a few people from Africa have been here. I'm the first one from this country here. Yes. Thanks for watching. Bye.